Hey everybody, I just wanted to say a quick hello and make sure you're watching my Friday's live stream every week. I'm just on my way now to a hobby shop to go spend some money here. So should be interesting to see what happens. And yeah, don't forget, and also hit the subscribe button and get notifications so you get notified every time as soon as I go live. And usually about three days beforehand I post the live stream details up, and hope to see you all there in chat. Yeah, so I tried to do this a couple of days ago, but as you can see by the photo up in the corner there, that happened. If you want to know more details of what happened, catch me on the live stream. Alright guys, catch you later, bye.